Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 263, Early Upgrade. We've talked about the early upgrade option in the past, as far back as tip number 147. There, I described how early upgrade impacts when the code that runs your Power Pages site is upgraded by Microsoft. In tips number 189 and 192, I talked about how you can change this setting using the Power Platform Admin Center. In this tip, I'm going to talk about what the recommended strategy is for when to check this box and when to leave it unchecked. Updates to the website code happen on roughly a monthly basis. There isn't a release every month. For example, in 2023, there were releases in every month except March, November, and December. There aren't usually multiple releases in a month. When your site is marked for early upgrade, that means it will be on the list of sites to be upgraded first, before any of the sites that aren't marked for early upgrade. As with any upgrade of code, there is always a risk that something won't go perfectly. So the recommendation is to have non-production sites, such as development and test sites, marked for early upgrade. That way, if there are any issues, you might discover them early and be able to mitigate them or report them to Microsoft before the upgrade is applied to production. So leave the early upgrade set to no for production sites. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 263 on early upgrade useful.